We'll guide you through how to use Replit connectors effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Replit website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to use the connectors. On the left-hand side, you'll see the sidebar with various options. Click on the Connect icon, which looks like two linked chains, to access the Connectors section. Here you'll find a list of available connectors that you can use to integrate external services with your project. To add a connector, simply click on the connector you want to use, such as a database or an API. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure it. You may need to enter some credentials or API keys depending on the service. Once configured, you can use the connector in your code by importing it. For example, if you've added a database connector, you can import it at the top of your script and start using it right away to interact with your database. If you're using an API connector, you can call its methods to fetch or send data as needed. Remember to check the documentation provided by Replit for each connector for specific usage details and examples. This makes it easy to integrate powerful services into your application without having to start from scratch. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.